Hey, what's going on guys, Sergeant's Tech Tips, and welcome to another video on my channel. Now in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at MX Linux 21.1 Xfce, which to my knowledge is the most lightweight version of MX Linux that you can actually get. So let's go ahead and hop into the virtual machine. As you see here, I do have the ISO file, and the ISO file is about 1.78 gigabytes. So let's go ahead and open up VMware. Now we're going to do create new virtual machine, typical. Now we can go here to installer disk image, browse. We're going to go back to ISOs, MX Linux, and then right here is Xfce. Going to detect Ubuntu. Now we're going to do MX. This is a 64-bit architecture ISO file. 20 gigs is fine. We're going to do store as single file as always. Next. It's around 4 gigs of RAM is fine, and then 20 gigs of hard drive space, and it probably, gave it 2 cores. Now the virtual machine is created. We can go ahead and power on the virtual machine. UAC is going to pop up. You won't be able to see that. All right, so we're going to go ahead and launch into the operating system. And as you can see, we are in MX Linux Wildflower. This is the Xfce variant, which is supposed to be a lot more lightweight. Oh, it does pop up. Okay. Terms of use, next. Regular install. Yes, that's fine. It's going to do that. MBR is fine. I'm not going to do any of that. And then we're going to let it install, which it looks like it's right on its way here. Alright, so the installation is complete. We're just going to go ahead and click finish. Automatically reboot the system when the installer is closed. That's already checked, so that'll reboot it. Go ahead and launch into MX Linux. And MX Linux is installed. The window should pop up for when you... Yeah, there it is. Get your computer specs here, and then you get your welcome screen. We're going to go ahead and close that. Now, we do have the thing on the side, the bar. Down here is where your apps will be, and up here where is your... So you can, shut down, log out, all that fun stuff. Your internet's also down here. We've got clipboard history, we got Bluetooth, we got eject, so we can eject stuff. Like if you were to have a flash drive plugged in, you can just go ahead and double click it and it'll remove it. We also have your battery percentage, which it doesn't really need to be there. We also have the separate desktops. Now if we go up down here to the applications, this should be a lot more lightweight because as you can see right here, it says Xfce terminal. Go to favorites, recently added. Yeah, everything's the same. I'm not going to go through every program like we did in the last episode unless I see an application that wasn't in this version. So everything's going to be pretty similar, so this might be a short video and I do apologize for that, but we are going to take a look at some of this stuff. Alright, so under settings, we got all of this stuff. I'm not going to read it because, I mean, you guys can read it. If you guys want to pause it as I'm scrolling, you can pause it and read all these. We got Gparted, we got graphics, we got LibreOffice Draw, Las Paint. Oh, okay, so it's just a paint program. It's a very small canvas. Wait, paint? Oh, look at that. I did it. Oh, wait, hold on. The Dreamcast boot up screen. Let's just cut that out. Graphics, we were just looking at Las Paint. We got Document Scanner, Gthub, View and Organize Your Images, LibreOffice Draw, Create and Edit Drawings, Flowcharts, Internet. We got Firefox, which is usually pre-installed with MX Linux. Well, a lot of Linux variants. We got Nomad. This is a dial-up tool to use dial-up modem, which I don't know why you would. And under multimedia, we have VLC media player, webcam. We got the NVIDIA driver installer, which was there in the last episode that we looked at MX Linux. Assorted useful tweaks. So these are just, I think this is just going to bring up that menu. Oh, okay. Oh, look at that. Now we got a dark menu. We got orange global time. Show clocks from different countries. Interesting. So you can do different time zones if you want to have different time zones on your screen. Yeah, so I'm not going to go through each program here because, I mean, all of them are really similar to the last ones we've looked at. So now we're in the settings panel for MX Linux. You can actually take a look at some of this. Settings editor, accessibility, firewall, iDevice map. Yeah, all this stuff's basically similar to the stuff we've looked at in the past. I do want to take a look at the wallpapers. So if we go to desktop, now we can take a look at the wallpapers. I think they're all going to be, yeah, I think they're all just going to be all be similar essentially. I do like this wallpaper. Appearance. Yeah, so we got that one. We got Arc Dark. I really do like that one. We got Graybird, MX, High Contrast. Alright, so that's going to be it for the settings. As far as file system, it looks like it uses Thunar for the file system manager, which might be a more lightweight version. We are going to take a look at the calculator, because I want to know if that's going to be any different. Nope, pretty much the same. Alrighty guys, I think that's going to be it for this video. Sorry about the short video today. But, I mean, we've already looked at this variant of MX Linux, so we are done with MX Linux unless an update comes around. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. Let me know what you want to see in the future videos in the comments below. Like if you want me to look at a different Linux operating system, just let me know in the comments below. See you guys next video, and peace out.